Hey, South Street School, we're back for our fifth annual cereal drive and domino run. This is an event that we started years ago in order to collect boxes of cereal for Helping Makes You Happy, a wonderful organization that helps collect and distribute food to our local food pantries in order to feed those in need. We've been told that the hundreds of boxes that we donate each year, can feed families well into the fall. So it's definitely an event that we enjoy having. It creates a lot of fun for the children, feeds a lot of families in need, and it also breeds a healthy amount of competition amongst our local families. So it's really a win all around for us. So I wanted to thank you on behalf of the staff, faculty and staff of South Street School, and the children for contributing from your home to ours in order to feed those homes that are most in need. Thank you again. Enjoy the domino run, and we'll see you again this time next year.